Alright, so let's do betweenness centrality. So we have given this particular graph and we need to compute the betweenness centrality of say a particular vertex A, right? So the first step is to list down all the edges which do not contain A. Alright, next we compute this particular column that is sigma STA. That is the number of shortest paths between the given vertices, right, which include A. So suppose over here BD, the shortest path is 1. We won't really go like this, right? The shortest path is 1. Does it include A? No. So we write 0. Similarly for BE, the shortest path is this, right? It does include A. So we put 1 over here. For DE, there are two paths. There is one path like this, 1, 2, 3, and there is one path like this, 1, 2, 3. These are the shortest paths. Now one of these paths does include A, so we write 1 over here. Then we compute this particular column, which is the total number of shortest paths between the two vertices. So over here BD, the total number of shortest paths is 1 because there's only one path which has a distance of 1, right, and a length of 1. Over here for BE, again there's only one path. For DE, however, there are two paths as we previously discussed, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. There are two paths like this. Then what we do is we find the ratio of these two. So 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 1 is 1, 1 by 2 is half, and we just sum this entire column to get the betweenness centrality of A. We can do this for all the vertices that is given. Next we come to the degree connectivity. Now what is degree connectivity? It is the degree of this particular vertex upon the total number of vertices minus 1. This is pretty easy, right? The degree of this particular vertex is 2 and the total number of vertices is 6. So 2 by 6 minus 1, that is 5. So 2 by 5, that is here, right? that's कर लेंगे. And then we have the closeness centrality. तो उसमें क्या होता है? It's n minus 1 by sigma duv. That is n minus 1 is the total number of vertices minus 1, इतना तो है ही. Now what is sigma duv? It is the number distances of a vertex from all the other vertices. So like suppose say 1, तो 1 से 2 का distance है 1. So 1 plus 1 से 3 का distance है 1. तो 1 plus 1, 1 से 4 का डिस्टेंस है 2, तो 1 plus 1 plus 2. 1 से 6 का डिस्टेंस है 1, 2, 3, तो 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 से 5 का क्या है 3, 1, 2, 3, तो 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, राइट. तो क्या था हम लोग का 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 आ गया 10. तो ये क्या होगा n minus 1, 5 by 10 which is equal to half. सिमिलरली 3 का कैसे करते हैं? 3 का है it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, राइट. तो इसका डिनोमिनेटर बन जाता है 7, ऊपर वाला रहता है 5. दैट इज हाउ वी कंप्यूट दी betweenness closeness centrality. Thank you.